Hey guys, so I've been wearing these IIkonn mink eyelashes for about 3 months now, and honestly they are amazing. I've worn them to about 2 weddings, a bachelorette party, a bridal shower, even a trip to Miami Beach, and they've held up beautifully. And I've gotten so many compliments on how full and good they make my real eyelashes look. So if you head over to eyekonn.com and you type in my discount code _of_Cindy, you can receive 30% off any pair of lashes. So that means about a $20 pair, you're getting $6 off, which I think is really worth it. So these are the Black Magic pair, and these are the pairs that I've been wearing to all of these events. It wasn't like I was interchanging between different eyelashes. I've been wearing the same pair for many events, and they've just, again, held up so wonderfully. And if you just take a look at how great the quality is, so fluffy, so full. Now, they did recommend to cut them down to fit your eyelashes, or sorry, your eyelids. So that's exactly what I did. I cut them down and they still look so full and so pretty. And let me just take them out here so you can see. So this is the eyelash up close. Now to apply them, it's just like applying any other eyelash that you have. I do recommend that if you do have black eyeliner on, to be using a dark tone eyelash glue, so if you have any excess glue anywhere, it doesn't really mess up your eye makeup look because you already have the black eyeliner there. If you don't have any black eyeliner, then use the clear glue because that'll best fit your look. Like I mentioned, I already cut them down before to fit my eyelash length. Now when you're cutting them down, you just want to make sure that you're not cutting big clumps. You're just going maybe like a millimeter by millimeter, on even less. I don't know, but just very small snippets, because you don't want to cut too much and then it's too short for your eyelid. And to clean them, it's pretty easy as well, because the strip that it's on, that this glue sits on, it easily can peel off. You just need a little bit of water, maybe a little bit, and then it easily snips off. Now, as you can see, they automatically lifted my eyes and it looks so pretty and so full, and you don't even need to use any mascara, because to be honest, it will ruin the eyelashes to apply this mascara on it. It's just naturally curls on themselves, and it's just very long and luscious already, so no mascara needed. Again, like I said, they are definitely worth it. I'll put the link down below on where you can purchase them. And if you enjoyed this video, hit that like button. Bye for now.